Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of USB hubs with the Honeywell 4-port non-powered USB Hub 2.0. If you're looking to expand your device connectivity, you're in the right place. Let's get right into it. The packaging is pretty straightforward. We have the hub itself. Here it is. The hub is sleek and compact, perfect for on-the-go use. It features for USB 2.0 ports, which is great for connecting multiple devices without a lot of clutter. The design is minimalist, which I love. It has a sturdy feel and should hold up well in a backpack or on a desk. Just a quick note, since it's a non-powered hub, you won't have to deal with extra cables or power sources. Setting it up is super easy. Just plug it into your computer, and it's ready to go. No drivers or complicated software required. Now, let's test it out. I'm connecting a few devices to see how it performs. So far, everything is working smoothly. The data transfer speed is typical for USB 2.0, so don't expect lightning-fast speeds. It's ideal for basic tasks like connecting peripherals or transferring files at moderate rates. Now, let's break down the pros and cons. Pros: compact and portable design. Easy plug-and-play setup. Affordable price point. Cons: non-powered, which means it might struggle with power-hungry devices. Limited to USB 2.0 speeds. Overall, the Honeywell 4-port non-powered USB Hub 2.0 is a solid choice for anyone looking to expand their connectivity without breaking the bank. Just remember, it's best for lighter use and basic devices. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tutorials, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Have you used this hub, or do you have a different favorite? Let's chat. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.